Welcome to Bitcoin Investor Week. I appreciate you all coming. We got a lot of people that we are going to talk to today.
You and I have been in this game for a while. I don't think there's a single hoodie in this room.
Ooh.
And I noticed it in Bitcoin Vegas as well. A lot more TradFis coming through.
And I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, right? Because that means that there's this marriage between TradFi and crypto. There's a lot to learn from both of us.
When did Bitcoin first catch your eye?
In 2020 during COVID.
2016.
2013 maybe.
Mid-2010s.
Wow. Early adopter there.
No.
No?
I didn't buy it.
In 2021, but I'm 24, so I wish I bought Bitcoin in 7th grade, you know?
2008 financial crisis. And that's when I fell down the crypto rabbit hole and decided that this is the most important architecture of the 21st century.
How do you think investors should really interpret this sell-off that we're seeing right now?
You know, it's not our first, so I've been in this business for about a decade now. And, you know, if every 18 months you get your butt kicked a little bit, you kind of get used to it.
Remember, there's only two things that drive us, fear and greed. So it just takes a little bit of price action, and all of a sudden, everybody will be back saying, oh, what's going on with crypto over there? I mean, how many times have we been dead?
Where do you think Bitcoin will be in December of this year?
In terms of price?
Yeah.
Higher, much higher.
120,000.
I'm thinking 150 would be my guess.
You know, we could be back to 60, it depends.
I think we'll probably chop here. You know, as a young guy, I'm taking this as a chance to accumulate more.
They're going to have to create more money, and Bitcoin has a defined monetary schedule. Just by maintaining scarcity, Bitcoin's going to win out.
Retirement accounts, you can trade around. You don't worry about taxes, and people tend to be a little bit more active sometimes in there. So what do you guys see in terms of maybe how people are positioning themselves right now?
This is the permanence and the resilience of people building their retirement in crypto, which 10 years ago, everybody thought we were crazy, right? You're putting what into what? What you see now is it's tax season, so everybody's saying, okay, how can I get my SEP contribution in, my Roth, my traditional contribution in, because the deadline comes, and they're looking at this as, hey, this is like Macy's red tag sale. I'm just getting more and stacking more sats or other cryptos at a discount, and I'm thrilled with that.
How do you feel about holding Bitcoin in your IRA or retirement accounts?
Got it there now.
I feel excellent about it. I think it should be part of everybody's portfolio. And I'm saying that as a former federal regulator.
IRA is a hack, right? I opened mine up when I was 18, have plowed the maximum amount ever since then and put it into Bitcoin.
I think that's the best place to hold it. I convinced my parents to finally buy some. It took a few years, but they've got in their IRA now.
Oh, it's a great idea. It's a solid asset. It'll make retirement a really good place to be in the future.
Oh, I feel great about it. I mean, can I put it in my Roth? Can I direct this myself? I think those are key pieces.
Over time, you know, all currencies get debased, and so I think it's just a good way to store value for a long period of time.
I'm out here in New York City for the Bitcoin Investor Week conference. A few key takeaways I noticed with this particular conference is, you know, it seems like there's a dichotomy, a little tale of two cities. You got these folks, I did some mainstream media interviews, and you see that, you know, they love it when Bitcoin bleeds, where the headlines, they love talking about it. But then you've got the other side where there's a general calmness happening at the conference from professionals like Natalie Brunell, Anthony Pompliano, Scaramucci, Grant Cardone. And I think we've gotten to build out a nice reserve and kind of resilience and permanence about ourselves. And one thing I will note is that I didn't see one hoodie in the first 2 days here. So it's definitely a market that's maturing and starting to build up some long-term capital potential.